Franklin Patterson, Field Supervisor. I've been with the company for 21 years. But my favorite thing that I do daily is do the connection of the service. We try to let them feel comfortable, let them know that, we are going to take care of whatever problem they have, whatever their need is, we are going to resolve the situation there. So we just try to give them a sense of confidence and comfort to let them know that, we are there to take care of the business. You got a sewer that's made from like cardboard. You have some from clay pipe, you have some from cast iron pipe. Same thing with the water main. You got galvanized pipe, you got lead pipe, you got copper pipe, you got brass pipe. So there's a lot of things, there's a lot of different service there, there's a different ways and different things that you see. So it's exciting. Like the company, we have a good understanding, the management was good from day one, and we grow over a period of time. The present boss here, I know from he's a kid coming here, so so it gives you a sense of urgency to stay here, and I would say, we have a good relationship. I think RS is advanced more than a lot of the company, because the way of how the company do the work is like a whole school way. We move with the time, they came from another company and come here. It's like they're in a learning process because they never see it done that way. So I think we are the best. We are the best. Mike Jackman, annoying, crazy, but sometimes funny, You got to prepare mentally, physically, because it's a challenging work. You got to work during the cold time, the hot time, rain. So you got to prepare yourself mentally and physically, right? So that's my main advice. I work on a job on Atlantic Avenue, 2 6-inch main. And there were so many utilities there. I got to lie on my side, on my back, to do the connection, because that's the only way you can do it. So I'll never forget it. Every time I pass on that job, I remember it. They have a problem and you're going to take care of it. That's what you're there for. So that's where, you give them that sense of urgency. Whatever the problem was, we are going to take care of it and we are going to get it resolved. Yes, they doesn't know the entire process. They ask you a question like, if you have a leak here, why do you have to go over there? Why you got to dig over there? Why didn't you just do it right here? But that's not how it works. Sometimes, you got to go all the way. Like lead pipe, we don't repair lead pipe. So you got to replace the entire thing. So sometimes they doesn't know the full 100 of what you got to do. You got to let them know what you got to do there. Look and try to learn, ask what you don't understand, and just get active. Be active and keep with the flow. You ask questions and just get yourself active, and you will get there. Working in a swamp in Pigeon Meadows. That's all mud, swamp. You take up 1 shovel, 2 shovels come down. You take up 2 shovels, 3 shovels come down. So it's just crazy. It's just a crazy thing. I won't forget that job. Thanks for watching. Harris, the best, #1. Call us when you need us. We are here all the time. Peace.